Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Dana Berez, and if you are new here, I'm a full-time blogger based in New York City. Anyway, today is going to be a fun pack with me to Las Vegas. If you've never been there, or you're headed there, or you just want to know what I'm packing. Because this is going to be my 6th time to Las Vegas, I kind of know what to pack in terms of clothing, but I also know some random things that you should bring, save you money and time while you're there. So without further ado, we're going to get started. I'm going to go over accessories, day clothes, and night clothes, what shoes to bring. I'm going to go over my toiletries, my makeup that I'm bringing along, and what's going in my airplane bag. So the great thing about Las Vegas is that you honestly can basically wear anything during the day, especially. At night, you may run into some situations where you have some dress codes that you need to adhere to, things like that. But generally during the day, it's very casual. But at night, I love to bring out some sequins, sparkles, high heels, because it's Vegas. You can wear those things even if it's not your birthday. All right, first things first. These are 2 accessories that you need to bring. I got these off Amazon. They're both under $15. Let's start off with the crown jewel, if you will. These are some gorgeous chandelier earrings. These are $10.99 off of Amazon. The quality of these earrings do not scream $10.99. Honestly, if you don't want to buy any new clothes, if you just get these earrings, like, every outfit you'll have will look dressed up. This looks good with like a simple little black dress, a little white dress. Like, can we talk? And they sparkle so much. So these are like my Vegas win earrings for nighttime. Like, these are essential. And then I also got these lightweight hoop earrings off of Amazon as well. Gold plated, so they might like honestly tarnish. It's kind of what you get with cheap jewelry, but for a cheap hoop, they're really comfortable to wear. They're not too heavy. These are for the win for accessories. And I will also leave everything that I'm mentioning down below. I'm not going to go over like every single thing that I'm bringing, but I'm kind of giving you some highlights and some tips on what to bring. Next is daytime clothes. So during the day, you'll probably be walking the strip, doing some activities on there, doing some shopping, doing a ton of walking. So definitely a pair of comfortable shoes. The funniest thing about Las Vegas is the hotel rooms are so big. Like, it takes you 30 minutes just to like find your room. So I suggest bringing a simple pair of white sneakers. These will go with every single outfit of yours. These are my tried and true travel sneakers. I wear these every day in New York, and I also wear them on every trip. I always bring these with me. I wear these on the airplane so they don't take up any room in my suitcase. These are under $60. A comfortable white sneaker is a must for the daytime. And then for the daytime, I'm also going to be bringing like a casual dressed up slide. I could wear these walking around the strip. Ideally, I probably won't. This is more like walking around to the pool and stuff, but I'll get into more pool outfits in a second. Definitely a comfortable pair of shoes is essential for walking the strip during the daytime. And then in the daytime, you can honestly wear whatever you want. Vegas can get really hot during the day, especially in the summertime. Winter, it gets comfortably warm, but it's not too bad. So keep that in mind when you are planning your outfits. So I recommend bringing a pair of shorts, to bring a white pair and like a denim pair of shorts. And then underneath, I'll probably just wear like a bodysuit or a casual t-shirt and honestly call it a day. I think daytime, you don't really have to worry about like what to wear because it's going to be so warm. So definitely bring your comfortable warm clothes, shorts, tank top, sunscreen. I recently just got these bodysuits off of Amazon and the quality is so good, and I already got makeup on it. I got this bodysuit that I'm going to be wearing around, and then I also got it in a square neck just because you can wear this with so many different things during the day with shorts, or you could wear it at night with like a skirt. I'm just going to be bringing like this t-shirt for casual wear. Also, during the day, you could wear a day dress and kind of look cute if you want. Anything goes for daytime in Vegas, so it really is up to you how dressed up or dressed down you want to be. Also in Vegas, you're probably going to be headed to the pool. If you're just going to hang out by the pool at your hotel and not go to like a beach party, honestly, you could wear your regular beach cover-up. I'm going to be packing this mesh one as well as this mesh one. I mentioned these in my swimsuit cover-ups video. I will leave that here if you haven't seen it and want some more inspiration. These are both from Cupshe, really comfortable and cute. But I'm also going to be bringing this tie waist skirt. It's from Amazon and it kind of has like a linen-y material, and I just love the color. So by the way, I'm packing a bit more because I'm going to be there for 5 nights, so I'm bringing more outfits. I'm also going to be bringing a long linen sort of tunic, which is really comfortable over a swimsuit, and some white linen pants for my swimsuit cover-ups. And then swimsuits, I'm honestly bringing probably like 5 or 6 swimsuits. But if you are going to like a beach club party, that's where you can kind of get more sexy in your swimsuit. So you could wear your bikini, you could do a cute sarong, you could do like body jewelry if you wanted, earrings. You definitely go there with a cute cover-up bikini. You could do a 2-piece or 1-piece depending like how you're feeling. But the pool parties are fun. I don't think we're gonna go to any while we're there. Speaking of the pool, there are some accessories that I'm gonna be bringing. I'm gonna first be bringing this cute bucket hat just to like sort of shade yourself in the sun. They have this in like so many different colors. I'm also gonna be bringing another hat, this one, just for like more coverage. And then I'm gonna be bringing this Amazon beach bag. The reason why I love this for travel is because it folds up flat. Like, I love a good beach bag, but realistically I can't bring the cutest ones because they usually don't fold up, unfortunately. So I have to kind of like sacrifice like my cutest ones for this one that does fold up. Super affordable, and I actually fit so many things in here. It's not like the best quality. In terms of a packable cute beach bag, this one is really cute. Next is nighttime outfits. Nighttime in Vegas is so much fun. I personally like to bring sequins and rhinestones. It's one of those places where you can get away with it and no one will look at you twice. In fact, people will probably be like, I love your outfits. Dress up, show up if you want to. I'm packing a few sequin things. All right, I found this shirt on Amazon, if you can call it a shirt. This is a mesh long sleeve sort of top, right? I'm gonna be wearing this over a bodysuit and I cannot wait. I honestly want to wear it more than once. I think it's so cool. Isn't this so fun? And like, it'll just sparkle against your skin. I'm gonna wear this with a pair of black denim, so it kind of dresses down the look, and then I'll dress it back up with my pair of heels. I'm gonna be bringing just one pair of heels to dress up all my outfits. These are the Jimmy Choo Anouk heels, a simple black pump. These are really comfortable. I highly suggest any evening shoe you bring for them to be comfortable. Just the walk from your room to the elevator, you're gonna want to take your shoes off. So make sure they're comfortable, because from your room to the elevator, to the Uber drop off, getting in the Uber, walking through the other hotel casino to get to the restaurant, you're gonna wanna pull your hair out. So definitely bring a comfortable Vegas shoe. These are my tried and true heels. I've worn these so many different times. As you can see, they are just all crazy. Find yourself your favorite heel and bring one. It's Vegas, so like, why not bring a sequined black dress, right? This one's super comfortable. I got this at H&M. Look how fun that is. Like, already I love sequins. And then I'm also bringing a sequin skirt, and I'll probably just wear this with a white bodysuit, the heels, and call it a day for another evening outfit. And then I found this hot pink dress recently that I'm also going to be bringing. It's a bodycon. Not a huge fan of like bodycon. I probably will wear a Spanx underneath this. But again, a fun hot pink color. Some tips for packing for yourself. A little black dress always works. A little black jumpsuit always works. I'll leave some links down below of some retailers that have those things, like jumpsuits and dresses that are perfect for Vegas that are all under $100. So I will leave those links down below of some pics. And speaking of nighttime, I know at night Vegas does get pretty chilly. In the wintertime especially, I've been in winter and I packed like all shorts and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's cold. So if you're going in winter time, you definitely need to bring pants and a light jacket. I think I'll probably just bring one light jacket that goes with every nighttime outfit. And I am bringing one dress. This is a white dress because I'm going on the Venetian gondolas, and of course I'm taking a photo, so I'm just bringing a nice white dress. This is like my go-to over-the-shoulder dress. I've worn this like all last summer. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I have like 1,000 photos of it and I'm still wearing it, so I'm bringing this as well. All right, let's get into the random category. First are chair clips. I think it's just me, but my biggest pet peeve is when I'm on a beach chair and a towel goes over my shoulder. I don't know if it's just me. It bothers me. It shouldn't, but it does. So I'm bringing 2 chair clips so it doesn't have to bother me. Found these on Amazon, and then it's Las Vegas, so you're probably going to need some liquid IV. These are little powders I got at Target. I prefer the liquid IV passion fruit flavor, but they didn't have it at Target, so I got these. These are good to rehydrate yourself. Vegas is extremely dry, so these are going to help in the morning. So I always like to bring a few of these. This is like the funniest thing that I'm bringing. I'm bringing a travel kettle. This boils hot water, and I'll tell you why I'm bringing this in a second, but this is so cool. Again, it's from Amazon. It just folds down, so it packs pretty small, and you can just heat your hot water in this. One, I like tea at night, but the reason why I'm really bringing this is because I'm addicted to coffee and I need it as soon as I wake up. Because we're coming from New York, normally in Vegas, we're always waking up at 5 in the morning naturally because it's 7 or is it 8 o'clock our time. Waking up always early, and the coffee in the hotels don't open until 7 or 6, and I just cannot wait. I cannot wait. So I make my own coffee in the room. It'll save you time in the morning. I don't want to get up, get dressed, go down to the lobby, wait in line to get coffee, and go back up to my room. Like, that's 3 minutes right there. I need it just in my room. So I bring my hot water, and then I bring a little net, and then I bring some coffee. So I pour the coffee in here, I put the hot water and do like a pour over in the hotel room. Genius. So I actually learned this the hard way because there's not going to be coffee in your room already. They're going to want you to pay for it. I was at Caesar's Palace and they had a Keurig machine, but like each pod was like $3, and I was like, I don't want to pay $3 for like a Keurig cup. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be strong enough. I'm gonna want a better coffee anyway. So we went down to the lobby, and then we were at Caesar's Palace, and every morning we were spending around like $60 on like 2 big coffees and like 2 breakfast sandwiches. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is like adding up really quickly. So to combat that, we're just gonna make our own coffee in our room. Then of course we'll probably do some room service, but just like that first cup, I don't wanna wait in line, so I bring my own solution. I'll get to my makeup and toiletries in a second, but for the airplane, I always like to bring noise canceling headphones. I'm gonna be bringing these antibacterial travel wipes. And then I'm going to be bringing Bosch & Lomb eye wipes. You know, like when you're on a plane, your eyes get really dry. These are wipes that are meant for you, like rubbing your eyes, and it's just so soothing to have like a nice eye moment on an airplane. So I'm bringing some of these. I'm bringing some gum, and I'm bringing the book that I'm reading, and of course some tissues. And that's all that I'm really bringing. And my computer, of course. I'll probably be on my computer. Here is my toiletry bag. Of course, just some deodorant, my contacts, obviously sunscreen is really important, my toothbrush, all of my shampoo, conditioner. The hotels also have shampoo and conditioner. Ooh, this is a good one. Travel size dry shampoo. Honestly, this is a lifesaver, especially if you don't want to wash your hair every day. And yes, you can bring this on an airplane. It's allowed. I love this stuff. I'm bringing a lot of like moisturizers because it's so dry in Vegas. And what else? I just have like toothpaste, my face sunscreen, a lot of like serums. I like to put my favorite stuff in these like travel size containers. These are from Kitsch. You can find these on Amazon. They come in like a 3-pack or like a 6-pack. I've had this for a while. The cap does work really nicely, and I love this because once your product is done, it takes up less space. Whereas these, it still takes up space even if the product is gone. Love these little travel size containers, makeup remover, and your general toiletry kit. And then we have my makeup. I'm bringing a lot of makeup just because, well, my skin will get darker, so I have to bring like 2 foundations. I'm bringing my foundations. This is MAC Face and Body, and I put it in this smaller container. It's like a lightweight foundation. And then this is like for a more full coverage. This is the Maybelline foundation. And then Kevin Aquan if I want to do more of like a glam look. Then I have my Tarte concealer, my Fit Me powder to powder everything up, favorite Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, which is amazing for a great contour. And then I also have a bronzing powder from MAC. Blush, I'm bringing the Laura Mercier Rosé and this Merit Cream blush, which also can be used as a blush, a lip too. Then I have my Better Than Sex mascara, curler, my Tarte Lit eyeshadow palette with all the colors that I need, and some MAC glitter. Lipsticks, I have my Untold Stories from Revlon and my Charlotte Tilbury Bitch Perfect lipstick. Then for a fun pop of red, I'm bringing my NARS Red Square, all of my makeup brushes, and of course it's Vegas, so we are going to need some lashes and some eyelash glue. And I'm trying to fit everything in this small container, so wish me luck. All right, everything is packed up. I see all my sparkles. This is all closed, so it's easy to keep it in there. And then I just cover it up. And then I use packing cubes to organize like my underwear and socks. I have swimsuits in here. And then I have my shirts in this one just to keep things a bit organized on this side. All right, you guys, there goes all of the things that I'm packing for Las Vegas. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see what we get up to while we're there. We have an amazing 5 days planned in Vegas. It's gonna be your ultimate Vegas itinerary, so I'm super excited to do another travel video. With that, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you in Vegas.